channel. Today we are going to be doing this super sexy, sleek, regal high bun. So let's get started. So the hair comes in packs just like this, and all I did was braid this side, then take this off. It'll help so much more if you just wait. And this is how it came out. And I have two of these. If you want to get fancy, I took a smaller one. I have a smaller one too, for like around the edges. So the only thing you do is, after you have them braided, you take a ponytail holder and put it right in the middle. And for the ends, you could just use track glue to keep them secure. Or you can use a rubber band if you want to keep using the same hair, and then you can unbraid it, comb it, brush it back out, and then braid it back up. So all you do is just take this, take one, put it in here, secure the one there. It doesn't have to be tight because it'll still be secure. And so I have these two, you have these two. And you take it, and you just wrap it around. Woo! How freaking cute that is. Take one, wrap it around there. Take your second one, and you just play with it, and you just take your second one. So the last thing I'm going to do is take some Dove amplifying gel. Got my toothbrush. So I'll come back with edges laid and slayed. Practice, practice, practice. And here's the final look. I'll give you a back shot. There we go. Thank you all so much for watching. I will see you all next week. Like, comment, subscribe. Bye.